I like this, dude. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice job, man.
Thank you.
That is pretty smooth port round over for good airflow.
Yeah, I just switched the box last week.
Okay.
I had it in another box. It's two Platinum 12s. They're only on a 5K, so really they're kind of a little underpowered.
Yeah.
But my last box was tuned to 29.
Okay.
So it hit good from probably 22 to mid 30s, but this one's tuned to 34. I wanted something a little more musical.
Yeah. You can play into the low 40 hertz range pretty well.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Statesville, North Carolina.
Okay.
So not too far. It's 406.5
Okay.
on a SoundQ U4 500, and then two Platinum 12s on a SoundQ U5000 at one of them.
How far back bottom down does the port go? Is it? Do you have it turned over sideways too?
It does. It turns into them probably about 3 or 4 inches.
Okay.
And the actual, it's hard to see the amps. The amps are under the platform, under the box.
Oh, so you actually have them hidden.
Yeah.
So it's nice and clean installed. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
I've got a
Picture? Yeah.
Yeah, I had a picture.
Okay. What's the cubic space on this box?
It's right at like 5 cubes net.
Okay.
I think it's like 8 square inches of port area.
Okay. I just like to see everything. I'm sorry.
There's a picture of the amp rack underneath it.
Okay. So you have one per sub?
No, I've got that one's a 5,000.
Oh, okay. I'm so used to the size. Okay,
Yeah,
got it. The
that's a
5K and the 4 channel.
Yep.
5K. Got it. All right. And that's at 1 ohm.
Yep.
All right. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
I like your fur action too. Yeah. Have you done any kind of SPL on it just for fun or just demo?
No, I never have put it on a meter.
Okay. It's all good. Anything under the hood? Upgraded alternator?
It's got a 200 amp alternator.
Okay.
And then excess power D3400.
All right.
Just wanna ball it. Says you wanna ball it. For once, they never ever call her. She asks why, bitch, I grew up on the corner, tryna get till I all my niggas savages, and we do these hoes so scandalous. I mean, we the only one.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
But he really not. 'Cause the summer only taught me how. It just takes a child. All my niggas out of this, and we do these hoes so strong. That mean we the only one left. Niggas think everything is you plus niggas.
Nice. Nice. You have a good day, man.
You too.
Nice to meet you.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.